What's up everybody, Farmer Q here, and today we're going to be doing things a little bit different. We're cooking us a Mississippi pot roast. We're going to put our own little twang on it. We got all the original ingredients, but we're going to throw some of the peppers from our garden in that bad boy. We're going to set it off just right. So why don't y'all stick with me? This is going to be a quick one, so let's get it. Alright y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is throw this big old roast in the pot. Alright y'all, check it out. This is a ribeye roast. So as you can see from this perspective, you can see where it would be a ribeye steak. Turn around the top, and this bad boy will make about a good 4 ribeye steaks. This one right here is about 5.78 pounds, and boy oh boy, it looks great. So what we're gonna do with this is throw it in this pot here, this crock pot, and we're gonna throw the seasonings right on top of it. It's that simple. Once we throw the seasonings on top of it, we're gonna throw a stick of butter in here. We're gonna throw the pepperoncini. So let's do it. Alright y'all, so for this recipe we're gonna be using 2 packs of the au jus gravy mix. We're gonna be using 2 packs of the Hidden Valley ranch seasoning, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and last but not least, of course, we're gonna be throwing a few of these buena mulata peppers in there along with that beautiful brine mixture that's holding these ingredients oh so well. So let's get right to that. First thing I do is take my stick of butter and I'll just cut it into pieces here. Just let it sit on top, on the sides. Just cut it up into a few pieces here so we can really allow some of the juices to start to simmer real quick, because the roast itself is going to produce a lot of juices as well, so we don't need a whole lot of butter to make things going. We just need 1 stick of butter to get that thing rolling. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and throw some of this brine mixture as well as a few of these buena mulata peppers into the crock pot, and that's how we'll get things jumping. So we'll go ahead and crack it open. We haven't opened this bad boy yet, so let's see. Of course, it's nice and tightly sealed on there. Whew, and the smell coming off here, wish I could share that with y'all, but you know. So we'll go ahead and take this sheet Mills pimento, throw it right on top here. But yeah, these peppers, these peppers, let me show you. These peppers, yeah, that brine and made them just basically, yeah. So they're gonna be perfect for seasoning. We're gonna go ahead and throw this other sheet Mills pimento on there. We're gonna go ahead and pour just a little bit of the vinegar in there. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is throw our seasonings in here, no particular order. Sprinkle our ranch seasoning on. Come with our au jus. So this is the mix we'll be going with, and at this point all we gotta do is put the top on, throw the crock pot on 8 hours low, and we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, this crock pot's kind of aged, but that's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and tap the cook time button until we're all the way over to 8 hours low. And at this point, if we want to let it go an additional 2 hours on top of that 8, we can come back and look later, but that's fine. We can always let the time go some more, but for now, we're gonna come back when we're about 4 hours, maybe 6 hours in, then we'll finish it out at the end. So I just wanted to show y'all real quick where we're at 4 hours in. We keep cooking for another 4 hours and we're finished. I'm gonna let her cook for 4 more hours and then we'll be finished. So see y'all then. Alright y'all, so the roast is ready. We're finally at the finish. We got some rice here on this, but we actually have some greens in the refrigerator that I cooked up a few days ago that we're gonna eat on the side of this as well. So hey, look, I'm excited for this, so let's bring y'all in for a close view on what we're looking like on the roast. Hey, so needless to say, we're looking really good right now, so we're about to break this up with a fork real quick and see what we're looking like on the breakup. Alright, let's get it. Oh my gosh, look how easy that just broke apart. Oh my gosh, it just falls apart, just completely just, oh my gosh, looks delicious. So just kind of break this up just like that, and it's just as tender as can be. y'all. This is a roast well done right here. We're gonna bring y'all in for an even closer view real quick too. Check that out, y'all.